Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karl Lisondra and this channel is all about sneakers. For today's video, it's gonna be a bit unique and a bit different kasi yung i-review natin ngayon is a sneaker that I've been using for 2 years already. And it's obvious, nakita nyo na agad sa title yan at nakikita nyo dito sa background na to. For today's video, we're going to review the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Sesame colorway. Let's go! If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. We do different kind of sneaker content dito sa channel na to. We do sneaker reviews, we do sneaker updates for the upcoming releases, and then some sneaker tips pagdating sa sneaker game like cleaning, mga budget or mga pricing nitong iba't ibang klase ng sneakers. So please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, share it to your friends so that we can create more videos or more content when it comes to sneakers. If you have been watching this channel for quite some time, for every sneaker review, we talk about the materials, we talk about the background of the sneaker, we talk about the sizing, fit, and even yung pricing or yung resale and retail nitong sneakers na to. And that is still what we're going to talk about or what we are going to break down pagdating dito sa sneaker review na to. And after this points na itatakal natin or this mga topics that we're gonna cover as a sneaker for the sneaker review, meron akong pin-prepare as well na clip on when it comes to the on-fit nitong Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sesame. So please make sure that you watch till the very end of the video. This is actually the 12, if I'm not mistaken, 12 or 13th colorway ng Yeezy Boost 350 V2. It's a really nice plain color blocking na ginawa dito sa sneaker na to, and this has been released November 23, 2018. Itong sneaker na to ay pinilahan ko po nung 2018 sa Adidas neighborhood sa BGC. So ito yung isa sa mga sneaker na nakukuha pa noon pag pinilahan mo siya ng buong araw. Pero ngayon, it seems impossible na medyo, well, not really impossible, pero it would really take you to camp out na mag-antay dun sa tapat ng store para lang makakuha in store ng Yeezy. And ang problem, wala pang kasiguraduhan doon dahil sobrang daming tao na nagano. Pero good thing ngayon that due to pandemic, medyo nabago na yung mga mechanics, wala nang mga ganong first come first serve. Well, for some releases, especially dito sa mga Yeezy na to, more on raffle na lang and online releases. So when it comes to this kind of sneaker, I think this is one of the sneaker na ginawa ni Kanye general release. So when he did this effort that he mentioned, parang agenda, like he mentioned Yeezy for all. So he really wants the Yeezys to be available for everyone as much as possible sa mga yung mga taong gusto talagang makakuha ng retail na hindi siya sa resale. So this is no longer that limited compared do sa mga naunang colorway ng Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Pero if you would ask me, still this is my favorite, this is my top 1. I kind of decide when Zion releases, sabi ko mukhang ito na yung magiging it's also brown. There's a bit of element na binago doon. It's really nice. Akala ko yun na yung pinakagustong colorway. Pero still, I end up with this hanggang ngayon. Kahit luma na to, kahit 2 taon na tong sneaker na to. Well, sobrang sulit siya for me. And still, this is still on top of my list when it comes to the Yeezys. So, what do we have in this kind of Yeezy? Again, this is general release after ng Zebra nung November, early November. This has been released ng Black Friday, and we were able to cop some. This is the first that I have. I was able to sell out, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 other Yeezy Sesame during that time. Nagtatry tayo na mag-resell para mabawi yung pinambili natin dito. So again, that's November 2018, and then ngayon, after 2 years, it's still pretty nice. Okay na okay pa rin yung materials niya. There are some drugs pagdating sa outsole, pagdating sa heel part. Pero, yep, it's pretty nice until now. Now, when it comes to the material used in this sneaker, so, pretty much yung upper niya is all prime knit. You have the prime knit upper dito sa buong side, buong top part itong sneaker na to. You have this round laces. Yan, this is also the usual laces na meron yung mga Yeezy Boost 350 V2. And then, yeah, sa middle part or sa top part niya, you'll see this common cross stitching you have this very plain na tan color sa kanyang prime knit. Yan. And then you still have the pull tab right here. Now, the good thing here is you still have the SPLY or yung supply 350 na ang tawag dito, label dito sa part ng sneaker na to if you will look closely. Pero I'm not sure if this is something you can still see. Yan. Dito sa part na to, there's a pattern here that says SPLY 350. So, medyo hindi lang siya kita pagdating sa camera. Pero if you will look closely dito sa, or gagamitan nyo siya nung yung UV light, you will be able to see that pattern. So, when it comes to the sole, or the yung midsole nitong sneaker na to, you'll have this yellowed parang icy sole dito, and then at the outsole you'll see the gum color. Yan, dito sa outsole ng sneaker na to. So, kinulayan ko na lang yung boost material niya ng Sharpie, kaya siya kulay puti pa, pero medyo pudpud na yung ilalim niya, and then yeah. But still pretty good. I was able to compare this sa brand new pair talaga ng Yeezy Sesame. There's really nothing much of difference. Yung sa midsole niya, itong pair ko, medyo naninilaw na siya. Pero it's not really that far compared dun sa mga brand new pairs. Pero yeah, it's still nice. If you will ask me, this is still one of the best colorway na kahit lumuma siya, sobrang sulit, sobrang slick, sobrang plain, subtle, and then minimalist yung design niya. It's not too loud compared to Zebra and then the other colorways of the Yeezy 350 V2s. When it comes to the insole, you still have the Adidas and then the Yeezy label and then the Adidas logo inside, and then you have here the 3M Adidas logo here, yung tatlong stripe yan. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. There's nothing too special when it comes to this, pero yung colorway niya, sobrang daling pormahan, sobrang dali na nadalhin, so sobrang sulit for me if you will ask me. So when it comes to the sizing, nothing too special when it comes to this colorway. Parehas lang siya ng ibang mga Yeezy 350 V2s na nauna. You just have to go half size up for narrow feet, and for those who have wide feet, then I advise na you go full size up. As usual, I am size 8. I always go 8.5 when it comes to every V2s of this 350 silhouette. So for the Sesame, that should be the same. I still have to go 8.5 for every Yeezy 350 V2. So kung anong size mo na true to size, then you just have to go half size up. For the price range of this sneaker, this is selling for that time 11,500 yung retail na to. Pero when this has been released or restock dun sa nung nagkaroon ng mga releases sa Yeezy Supply, this is selling for around 13,000. Yun na yung retail price ngayon ng mga Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. And it's been selling until now Ngayon na nag-pandemic, medyo bumaba yung prices ng mga Yeezy. Pero this is selling for like 16,000, 18,000. Yun na yung mga range ng Yeezy Sesame ngayon. Hindi siya masyadong umangat dahil nga madami yung stocks nitong sneaker na to. And I don't think for few years, siguro 1 or 2 years, I don't think na natataas pa to dahil nga sa sobrang dami ng Yeezy na nare-release ngayon ni Kanye. So, I don't think this will go up in value katulad na lang ng mga OGs, yung mga unang colorway talaga. So, we talk about the background of the sneaker, we talk about the materials, the price, and then the fit or the sizing of the sneaker. This time, we're gonna go to the on-fit shots of the sneaker that we have. So, we will roll that one. yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, this is my favorite Yeezy. This is number 1 on my list when it comes to my Yeezy 350 V2s. Sobrang simple, sobrang minimalist na kahit lumuma na, you'll see yung kulay na hindi ganun ka OA o different na talagang na magmumukha talaga siyang luma. Pero siguro with the color blocking, with that gum sole, yung medyo yellowish na midsole, and then that tan colored prime knit, sobrang sulit for me. I don't think na magbabago pa yung kulay nito after 3 years unless sobrang dumi talaga. Malilinis mo naman siya. So yeah, this is really nice. So I hope that you like this video. Again, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for you to be notified, and share it to your friends para mas marami pa tayong magawang mga video. Let me know also in the comment section ano yung mga sneaker that you've been using for a long time na talagang they have been serving their purpose. Talagang binubugbog nyo yung mga yan kahit saan kayo magpunta. So again, that's gonna be it for now. Please consider subscribing once again. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.